If you want to understand personal pronouns in English quickly and easily, this video is for you. Simple explanations, clear structure, and real-life examples. Let's get started. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you'll learn personal pronouns in English step by step in a simple and practical way. First, let's start with the definition. Personal pronouns are words that replace nouns, such as names, people, or things. We use them to avoid repetition and make our sentences shorter, smoother, and more natural. Personal pronouns are mainly divided into two types, subject pronouns and object pronouns. Now let's look at each one with examples. Subject pronouns. Subject pronouns are used as the subject of a sentence. They tell us who or what is doing the action. The subject pronouns are I, you, he, she, it, we, you, they. Now let's make this even clearer. Here we have singular forms and plural forms. Singular forms refer to one person or thing, such as I, you, he, she, it. Plural forms refer to more than one, such as we, you, they. This helps you choose the correct pronoun when forming sentences. Let's see some examples. I feel happy today. I feel happy today. You look very confident today. You look very confident today. He is studying for his exam. He is studying for his exam. She is talking to her friend. She is talking to her friend. It seems very easy to understand. It seems very easy to understand. We are planning a small party. We are planning a small party. You are learning very fast now. You are learning very fast now. They are watching a movie tonight. They are watching a movie tonight. In these sentences, the subject pronoun is doing the action. Next, let's move on to object pronouns. Object pronouns receive the action in a sentence. They usually come after the verb. The object pronouns are me, you, him, her, it, us, you, them. Now let's make this even clearer. Again, we have singular forms and plural forms. Singular forms for object pronouns refer to one person or thing, such as me, you, him, her, it. Plural forms refer to more than one, such as us, you, them. Let's look at some examples. They asked me to wait here. They asked me to wait here. I sent you a message yesterday. I sent you a message yesterday. They gave him a birthday gift. They gave him a birthday gift. I helped her with the homework. I helped her with the homework. Please move it to the table. Please move it to the table. They invited us to the meeting. They invited us to the meeting. I will call you later today. I will call you later today. I met them during the meeting. I met them during the meeting. In these sentences, the object pronoun receives the action. Great job! Now you understand how personal pronouns in English work and how to use them correctly. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple and practical English lessons. See you in the next video!